Okay, as promised, here is a video on how to solder to put things into perspective. If you're using a displacement cutter or a wheel cutter, you will always need to deburr the inside rim of the pipe. And then as a rule, whenever soldering, cleanliness is next to godliness. So using sandcloth, you would clean the outer edge of the copper tube. You can use Scotch-Brite, or in a wet application, you would use open mesh. Next, you want to clean the inside of the fitting using a wire fitting brush. Just give it a good twist until that copper is bright and shiny. Next, you want to apply a cleaning water-soluble flux to the outside of the pipe and the inside of the fitting. Again, making sure everything is clean. Once you slide your fitting on, then you just connect up your torch. In this case, this is an STK9 and a can of MAP gas. Ignite your torch, and you want to heat the fitting, not the pipe. Heat the fitting. Solder goes to heat. So I like to warm the entire fitting and then hold the torch on the opposite side of where my solder is. That way, as it's melting, it's going to pull toward the heat. You only need enough solder for it to wrap the rim. Once it's come back and grabbed the edge where you started, you're finished. Then using your flux or using a water bottle and a rag, you can wipe your fitting down. It is extremely important to clean off the pipe so the flux doesn't continue to clean and damage the pipe. And aesthetically, it looks much more pleasing. And that is how you solder a copper tube. So those products you guys pull every single day, they all tie into soldering or sweating or welding copper tube. It is all the same thing, just different terminologies. Let's talk sweat and pipe.